Hey, welcome back, everybody. Guys, if you guys picked up the Surface Duo just recently, and as you know, it comes with the kind of like the white color bumper. And if you guys know that Microsoft has released some different color bumpers on their website now that you can get these. They have several different colors that you can get. This one is the Ember color, so that's pretty nice. They also have the ice blue, the glacier, which is kind of the glacier basically is the one that comes with your Surface Duo. And they also have a graphite color too. But you got four choices if you happen to not get any of those other colors. So let's take a quick look at this Ember color. It comes in a nice little box. Comes with some paperwork here. I guess this is just shows you just the bumper, how to install it. But it's pretty easy how to get it installed, and just very easy. The color in here, as you can see, it's Ember, and which is kind of looks like a red orange color, which is pretty nice actually. I thought it was going to be more of a darker orangey, brown burnt color, but it's actually a pretty nice color. As you can see here, it's just like the other. There's nothing different from this, from the one that comes, that glacier color that comes already in the box with you guys, and Surface already, and the Dual. And all this is just different colors. You can see here it's got the tape to pull it, so we can put it on there. We'll do a really quick installation so you guys can see that as well. But it's got that nice rubbery feel to it, so it kind of gives a grip, and it'll help protect your Surface Duo as you're traveling with it and things like this. So yeah, with this is a nice silicone finish on it, so it's also rubberized, so it helps you grip it as you're carrying it. And when you do that 360 hinge, I'll show you guys how it kind of goes, and you'll have access controls to all the USB-C, the fingerprint reader, and the SIM tray as well. So that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and I'll open this up, and we'll go ahead and install this. As you can see, it's got the little one here. It tells you to go ahead and pull this out right here. So basically, you're just gonna pull this out. And this is in case you guys were thinking about getting this color. Actually, it's a pretty nice color. If I do say so myself, it's a nice color. So if you guys were interested in picking it up, I would recommend. Yeah, it's a good color to pick up. See, and this is kind of how you install it. See how you just push it down, and with that double-sided tape, it's just gonna grip on there just really nicely, and it fits just perfectly. And here it's got the number 2, as you can see here. So basically you just pull this out, and again, these are just kind of stickers on there. But yeah, look, it's gives it a nice finish, a nice protection, so doesn't hit your edges there, and it gives it a nice detail, as you can see here. It's very nice looking. It's a little bit taller now that you install the silicone bumper. As you can see, originally the edges just come up to right here, and now with that bumper, it gives it a little height to it. But again, it's nothing that's gonna be out of this out of ordinary, and that it's gonna be protruding or anything. And it gives it a nice feel so far, as you can see here. And being that these edges are round, as you can see here, it actually is it's nice. I'll show you guys real quick. See, by having this all rounded here, when you're holding it, it actually doesn't carve into your hand or anything. And this, they did that. I like the design here. As you can see here, it's sort of like very sort of square, but it's got a little bit of a kind of round, but it's still, when you're holding it, it's kind of a little bit on the sharp side. So by having the surface bumper on here, it actually holds on really nice. So let's go ahead and install the second one. And again, this is it's just made out of silicone, rubberized. And again, it's got that one here, shows you right there. So you'll be pulling this out just like this. Pull it out. Let's see real quick. Let's take a look before I tell you guys if there is one in there. Remove one, label, attach bumper. So remove label 2. So no, it doesn't seem to have anything on there, but it kind of does look like it does have a pull away coating there, but actually it doesn't. So basically then you just slide this right over like so, kind of push it down as you saw this, so that way it actually kind of goes down. See this little white? So you want to make sure that that's hiding down like this, and then just kind of push this down as you're putting it down there, and then again this just slide it down, and then you can peel this number 2 off. That's kind of like what they were telling you, to push this down so you can and yeah, there you go. It's gives it a nice little closing sound as well, but actually it still sounded like this when you had it before it. Oops. Oh, see, that's a good test right there. So it bounced really nice. So actually it was very nice that it had the bumper there. In this case it would have hit harder on this table, but yeah, as you can see here, the way it fits in there is everything's nice and neat. The corners and everything are all fitted very, very nice all the way around. As you can see here, it fits very good. It's got the opening for the charging port there with the USB-C, access to your SIM card here as well. I'll show you guys here. Just pull this out, and then if you put a the SIM tray ejector there, you'll get the SIM tray out. Very nice. So that's very good. Access to your fingerprint sensor as well. It's open, as you can see, very well lined up. So it's even on the side here, as you can see there. They did a nice job on this. Very well designed. You got the little buttons that kind of protrude up above, so you can kind of feel for the power button, and then the rocker switch for the volume up and control. So as you can see, if I just click on it, the easy click, volume, everything is just works nicely. And then if you had the for the fingerprint sensor, you would just fit your thumb or finger right in this position. You can see it's actually done very well, because as you put your finger in there, it actually just fits right in there, very, very nice in there. And as we come up to the top, everything again is well designed. As you can see, as you're opening it with the bumper, it doesn't actually affect it the way it opens at all the 360 viewing. So it actually kind of goes without affecting it. Let me show you guys without the bumper. This is kind of what it will look like. So it's not too bad. As you can see here, it does kind of keep it a little bit from all the way, and that's the reason is because it's got this little hump in here. So basically it doesn't open up completely flat, but it doesn't matter, because it's still, once if you're holding it like this or you're holding it like this, you can't really view it. You can see that it's still just kind of opened up, and it still fits good in your hands. And actually, like I said, it won't slip off your hands. This is it can be very slippery, because this is a very slippery device, but again, it doesn't you can see there, actually I can, that way you guys can compare how much more, it gives it a little bit on the height, because of the silicone is, it's gonna push it up a little bit higher. Sideways, you can see kind of what you're kind of looking at. You can see that it's got a little bit of an opening there. It doesn't, but yeah, it's so good anyways on there. Yeah, overall it's really, really nice. And again, that gives it that extra grip, so it's got not gonna slip. And then when you're want to view it in tint mode, again, it's got not gonna, if you had a glass table or something, is actually gonna hold on better with this bumper in there, and it actually protects your Surface Duo. So again, this is the Ember color dual bumper. Very nice color. If you guys were thinking about getting one of this, just kind of give you an idea. It comes with, you already know what the glacier kind of already color is the one that comes with it. There's also available in ice blue, and then the graphite color. I'll try to see if I can get the other two colors so you guys can see. And if you guys had any questions, leave your comments below. Hope this helps if you guys were thinking of picking up this Ember color Surface Dual bumper. Thanks for watching.